If you have a blog or some sort of traffic channel like a Facebook page and you want to monetize it, and how you can make revenue out of it. And also on Udemy I have around 250,000 plus students till now, and 20 plus courses on online business ideas. It would automatically take me to this ad. If you have a blog or some sort of traffic channel like a Facebook page, etc., and you want to monetize it with the help of some ad network, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to show you the best ad network with which you can just monetize your blog or other traffic channels. Specifically for this video, it's blog, and generate a decent amount of revenue out of it. So watch this full video till the end, and I'll share with you from A to Z how you can do the integrations and how you can monetize the blog and how you can make revenue out of it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon, because I used to upload content about online businesses, making money online and finding clients. And also on Udemy I have around 250,000 plus students till now, and 20 plus courses on online business ideas, making money and finding clients. So you can check that out as well. The link is in description. Now let's just come back to our point where we would be learning that how we can just monetize our blog post, how we can monetize our traffic coming to this blog. And the only best answer to this is HillTopAds. There are other ad networks, but as compared to those, this one seems reasonable, offering a good commission, ad commissions, ad revenue, and it can be really helpful for you. And like they don't have a really strict approval criteria as well. So what you have to do is you just have to go to link in description and go to hilltopads.com. The link is in description. You can just go there, and this is their website. Now I'll show you how to sign up, and what are the payout methods, and how to put your ads into this blog, and all that. Okay, so first of all, what we would do is I'll hit this sign up button. And first of all, I am an advertiser or publisher. Obviously I'm publisher. Advertiser comes there and pay HillTopAds to put their ads on the websites, and we are publisher, so we will get paid. Okay, so my name is Khadin Akbar. Here I'll add my information, and then I'll put in my password, and I'll agree, and I'll hit sign up. Okay, so after hitting signing up, it would take us to the sign up page. Here you go. Okay, now I need to check my mail. Here you go. On the other screen, I just got the mail, and to confirm it, I'll just put this email here, and here you go. It just got confirmed. And now it's saying welcome to HillTopAds, and it has a short tutorial as well. From here you can select your language, and it has a short tutorial about what are the tips and things, or sort of things, etc. Now here, this is the dashboard of HillTopAds. Here, from here you would be making your money. This is your account ID. This is your balance. Right now it's 0 because I just signed up right now. Then here you have dashboard, then you would have all your statistics there. Here you can just manage your zones and channels. Then here you would have all your payment history, and then your contacts, and then your account details. The referral program, they have a referral program, and the link in description is a referral link, so that you would sign up from my link. Then I would get a commission from your ones as well. And this is my account ID. So this is about their dashboard. And now, first of all, let's just set up our payment things. So we'll go to my account, and here I would have to take this and put my last name here. And show advertiser account, no, update profile. After that, there's invoice information. Obviously I'll pause the video and I'll add this. And then here comes the payment information. For payment information, we have several options like Bitcoin, Capitalist, Paxum, PayPal, USDT. And let's say we want to select PayPal. We have a minimum of 20, but I'll make it 100. And then I'll add my PayPal email address, and then I'll hit save information. And here you go. An email is sent to my mailbox to confirm this thing, to confirm my PayPal account and my payment information that I have added. So I'll copy the link from there and I'll paste it here. Okay, here you go. We did it, and now it's done. Then we have account security and API settings. You know about it. It's for developers and sort of things. Okay. Now here comes the thing. We are done with the dashboard overview and adding the payment information. Now we have to add our website. We have to add those ads to this website. To do that, what we have to do is we have to go back to our dashboard, HillTopAds dashboard, then hit manage sites and zones. And here what we have to do is we have to hit add website. Here we have to add the name goodnotesguide.com. Then there are two types, mainstream and non-mainstream. By mainstream, I mean the websites that are the basic, like Good Notes, or that are the like good websites. And by non-stream, I mean adult type of websites, casino, gambling, etc., etc. So I'll hit mainstream, and here it says just copy this code and paste it into the website, or download this file and upload it into the website so that they can just verify it. Here we will go to the plugins. Okay, we are using WordPress. Most of the blogs are on WordPress, but if you are using any other tool, then you can go there and put the code into the header. But here, when you are using WordPress, then you have to just install some random header footer plugin. The recommended one is this one, header footer code manager, and install it. After that, activate it, hit activate. And after it gets activated, what you have to do is just hit settings, hit add new snippet, add snippet name, HTML, site wide, header, put the code, and hit save. Then because I am using Lightspeed cache, so I'll have to purge all the cache first of all. So I'll purge all. I purged all the cache, and now I'll go and I'll verify the website. And here you go, domain has been verified. So our domain has been verified, the website has been added, and now it's time to add the zones. By zone, I mean add the codes to, so that it can run websites on ads on the website. Okay, that's how we would be making money. That's how we would be monetizing our blog. I'll hit add zone. I'll name it zone 1. And then there are multiple zone type: pop under, multi-tag banner, multi-tag in-page, in-page push, and vast vpaid. So let's say we do pop under, and I'll hit add zone. I'll have to wait a bit. Here you go. And here you go. Now we have several options. Direct URL. If we want to get a direct URL to this ad, pop-up under script, pop-up under server to server anti-block script, or pop-up under script with anti-block. So I would recommend this one. Why? Because most of the people, they are using ad blockers, and they are using a Brave Brave browser for that. So to bypass that, this script is the answer. And because if you won't get the views, you won't get the clicks, you won't be making money. So you have to do that. Okay, so we'll just copy the code again, go there, hit add new snippet, and HillTopAds, pop up under, then I'll paste the script. This is the script. Okay, it should be in the footer. it's active, and I'll hit save. Okay, so here you go, it's saved. And now what I'll do is I'll purge all the cache data. Here you go, it's done. And now I'll go to incognito tab and go to goodnotesguide.com. Here I am on goodnotesguide.com. Now wherever I will click, let's say this one, if I click on some link, it would automatically take me to this ad. This page is already opened, but it would take us to this page. Now this is the advertiser, and whenever it is viewed, we would get a view, and from those views we would be making our money. So this is how we put in the these ads. Okay, and now let's just try another form of ads, which is I'll go to ad zone. I'll name it zone 2, and let's try in page push ads. Okay, I'll hit ad zone. It would take us there. This is the in page push ad. So what we have to do is we just have to copy this code, and after that we have to hit add new snippet, and here again we have to do the same thing, not pop under, in page push, then same things, and its footer, paste it here, hit save, and after hitting save we have to do purge all, and after doing purge all we have to go to incognito tab, and here we are in incognito tab, and here we'll have to put in our ad link or our website's link. And here you go, it's loading. We'll go to blog, and here we are on blog, and it's loading basically. And here you can see we got our in push ads as well. Whenever I'll click on it, I'll go to again this ad. Okay, and this is actually how we create the sort of ads. And with the same way, you just have to create the other types of ads as well, like it's the similar way. Now it comes to direct links. Direct links are basically the direct links to ads. You can put it in any button on your website, or you can put it in any button on your Facebook page, or whatever profile in your bio, or on your posts. You can just hit add link, and here it says, please be informed, we do not recommend you to resell traffic from other advertising networks to earn money by using a direct link. Please monetize your social network groups or our website. To learn more, here you have some details and guides, and then here you can name it direct link 1, and again mainstream or non-mainstream, hit add direct link, and it would generate a direct link for you that you can share on your websites, on your social media, or on any other platforms from where you can generate the link clicks. Okay, so this is the direct link, and here you can just copy this, and you can just share it with your friends and family, or wherever you want, and make money out of it. And also, if you want stats for any of those, you have these statistics, so you can go to statistics, and here in user panel you would get the statistics, like how were the statistics, or how much results you got, or whatever type of results you got. Here right now, till now, we got 3 impressions, total 3 impressions, but we didn't made anything because it was me surfing the websites. No one did it, no one went through the website, it was me myself. So that's why it didn't counted as revenue. But as soon as you start getting more and more traffic from other computers, other IPs, obviously you will start getting it. Then I told you about their referral program. So with their referral program, they pay you to get advertisers and publishers for both. They pay you a 5%. Okay, What you can do is you can just copy the link and invite publishers. Like I am inviting you, you would go from my affiliate link, whatever you would make, I would get a 5%. And also, if some advertisers come onto the platform and they pay something, and like Hilltop Ads would pay me 5% of it. Okay. And they have the direct link, or they have some options, like they have the banners. You can put those banners on your website so that you can generate some affiliate traffic, affiliate signups, and then you can make money out of it. But I don't have it right now because I just recently signed up for Hilltop Ads, and I just wanted to tell you, like, this is a new account basically, so there are no stats for it, but this is how you do it on referral program. Okay. And that was all about this video. If you have any problem, any question, do let me know in comments. And also let me know in comments if you have got something out of it, or what type of results, or within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, do let me know in comments what type of results have you generated. And any information or any question you want to share, do let me know in comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on bell icon. That was all about this video. I'll see you in the next one.